are your future goals? What would you love to see happen? In order to meet those demands and meet those challenges and also enjoy living, we're going to have to know how to be in the zone as much as possible. What is it for us specifically that knocks us out of the zone? And that takes practice, it takes awareness, because everybody's a little bit different, just like building any muscle. One of the major distractions for people in performance is attachment to an outcome. Really equals anxiety. Instead, focus on what you've done to prepare. Think about just staying present, and that way you only have to be in one place at a time. And the best part is, when you get to that state, those results just take care of themselves. You build on what works for you. You make sure every time something went well, that you remember what was good about it, what you did to prepare, and what you thought about in the moment that helped. And eliminate what isn't working. And you think, oh, that was so bad, I can't believe I did that. But those are actually wonderful opportunities to learn. This is the way it works. Either we do well or we learn a lot. But we always walk away with a huge gain at the end of the day.